I'm honestly still shocked by what this vacuum pulled up. This carpet is brand new, professionally cleaned just a few weeks ago, and yet look at this. I did not expect this much to come out of supposedly clean carpet. I've tested a lot of stick vacuums over the past year, from big name brands to some lesser known companies, and this one, the Klarpul Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, may just be one of the best values I've tried. Full disclosure, Klarpul sent me this vacuum for free to check out, but as always, all opinions are my own. At 600 watts and 50 PAs of suction, it actually has more power than some of the most popular premium brands, and it really shows in how deeply it cleans. You can literally see it pulling up loose fibers straight out of the corners of my carpet that other vacuums left behind. The battery life is impressive too. Up to 65 minutes in eco mode or around 20 minutes on max suction. That's enough to do my entire house, and when it's time to recharge, it's ready to go again in just 2.5 hours. And one of my favorite parts, it can stand on its own. No more awkwardly leaning it against furniture or walls and hoping it doesn't fall over. The brush head is incredibly flexible, so it can glide around furniture legs, under chairs, and along baseboards easily. And with the LED light on the front, I can actually see under the couch to make sure I'm not about to suck up a phone charger or toy car. It also comes with a duster attachment, which is great for windowsills and kitchen drawers, and a crevice tool for corners, edges, and between couch cushions. Now, the only thing the big name vacuums still do a little better is the one-touch emptying. With this one, you have to press a button on the bottom of the dustbin. It's slightly awkward, but honestly, it's about the only downside I've found. So, remember those fuzzies at the beginning. This is what the Klarpul pulled up from just the carpet on my stairs that had already been professionally cleaned. If that doesn't say deep clean power, I don't know what does. There's a link in the description if you want to check this out. If you use my links, I make a small commission at no cost to you. Thanks so much for your support. Like and subscribe for more home product reviews.